Friends, so in my previous video you just see the introduction part of the Google Sites. Now in this video I'm going to elaborate it more and more. So you can see here, this is the first page of the Google site, or I'm going to create a website. Then this is the first page. If I want to insert some more things, then I can just use here. If I'm going to insert an image, upload image, then I have just to provide image from here. You can upload image from your. So I'm going to upload this image, then you can just click and upload the image in your site, and you can see here you can also do some settings, some with the image. So you can insert an image. You can, if you want to provide any link here, then you can just provide a link. You can type here table of contents, sub page listing, horizontal line. If you want to use, if you want to provide any link, then you have to just click here, and if I am going to give the link of my blog .next .blogspot.com, then so if I am going to provide any other web address, if you have any other web address, you can just use a link here. With the help of, first, my website is not listed because I am not listed or submitted this particular page to Google Webmaster and Google Business Page. That's why this blog is not listed here, and the blog is free, not paid. This is also the reason. So you can just link or provide any link if you want to enter, or you just create a new page here. So this is how you can use your link section. Adding link section, you can also insert table of content, like created the text reader for basic page index. You can provide the width, show levels if you want to. Then you can just save here. You can see this is how your site looks like. You can insert the table, sub pages listing. If you want sub pages, then it will list here. You will provide the sub page information, then it will list here, and viewers can easily click on it. And the +1 button is shortened for this. Pretty cool. You should take a look at this. Let visually recommended your page. So if you add this +1 button, then this is easily integrated. You can see here, this is easily integrated with your site, and with the help of this +1 button, anybody can easily recommend your page to somebody else. So this is how you can integrate the sub pages, table of content, links, or if you want to insert an image, you can do change the alignment with the help of. You can insert link from here also. If you want to change the color, you can change it from here, and you can change just the border. If you want to change the size of, then you can change it from here. You can change the text type. You can select whatever you want, Georgia, Verdana, or anything. So I'm going to another option. You can see this is the option, format option. With the help of this option, you can provide different level formatting, like you can, if you want to use heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, if you don't know the information about the skill about HTML, if you don't know the HTML programming, then you just choose heading 2 part, heading 3 part, heading 4 part. And if I want to add something in heading 2, then in HTML I have to write h2, then something in the middle of the box, then close with the tag. After that it will appear. You can see here this is appear. If you don't know about the HTML, then you can just click on this head 2 and provide your sentence, provide your paragraph, and it will integrate with your sites. You can also, there is information called strike through. You can use some other formattings. Superscript is also available there. These are some different formatting tools are available, which makes your site more attractive, and you can do with your site some more things, and these are helpful to promote your website. You can also use the code section. Alignment, you can change the alignment left, center, right, which is also available here. You can also insert row, column, and other option with the help of this table. Layouts are available, left and right sidebar. You can use it. You can see here these are the left and right sidebar. So you can change it. You can provide more and more feature in your site. If I want to click on this save button, then you can see here this site is under creation. The first content is saved now. This is how the home page is look. So you can integrate images. If you create your own images, if you have images, then you can just show it here and show on your home page, and provide the little description about the website, then provide the contact information, provide what are you offering to the viewers. These are some special thing which you can do with the help of this Google Sites. You can also do some other things like page action, revision history. If you want to see any history, then you can see the version history, the current version of page. If you are going to launch some another version of page, then you can manage your site from here. Recent site activity. If you want page attachment, you can see page templates here. If any page standard or template you are used, you can also see the scripts. If you want to integrate any app scripts, you can just, no script is found because I don't use any script here. So if I want to create a script, then I am just to click on the add script section, then I am going to perform a code, or I can just use any free app script here and just copy paste here and use into my own website. So this is, you can see there are several options are available to add an app script in your website. With the help of app script, you can provide various services on your site. If you have any deleted option, then you can see here web addresses, sharing and permission. You can also see some themes and color. You can provide any theme or background image or any color. You can see how can you provide theme or any other with the help of these tools. site headers, site content area, and content area gadget. If you want any gadget, then you can just add here. So you can see these are line divider, content sidebar gadgets. If you want to use sidebar gadgets, then if you have any gadgets on your website, then you can provide some additional color images for your gadgets. This is the iceberg theme. The best theme allow you to start with the existing theme and make customization. You can use any theme and customize the theme. So this is how you can also browse more theme with the help of this option. You can see here there are several other themes which you previously see in your the first introduction of Google site pages. How can you create a Google site? So these are any theme you can just, if you create a website for business collaboration, activities, schools, education, clubs, organization, personal, family, you can just use this theme here. You can just click on the theme and use it, and if you create any other theme on your own, then you can just implement here. So this is how you can use a theme, or you can save the theme or clear all customization. If you do some customization or you can do several changes in your theme, then you can clear all with the help of this button. So you can see here, if I am going to color it here something, and you can see this color. If I want to clear the customization, then I'm going to just, so all the settings are gone. So this is how you can manage your site with the help of Google Sites. So these are options you can use. You can also see the attachments here. This is the only image I attach or integrate with my website. So you can also, if you have more attachment, then you can see here, this is the part you can manage your site. So that's all in this video, and I'm going to elaborate more on my next video about the Google site. So thank you friends.